Hey guys, I'm Manivos, Android app developer, and I'm going to share Android app development with you through this tutorial. So for more videos, please follow our channel, IndiaBees. In this video, we're gonna see the development setup for Android. Basically, we need two things here to develop Android app. First one is Java JDK, and another one is Android Studio. We need to download and install both the Android Studio and the JDK. You can find and download the JDK from the Oracle website, and you can download the Android Studio from the developer's website. Here in my case, I already downloaded. After the download is completed, just double click it to install. So in my case, I already did that. After the JDK is installed, you can check the JDK version through command window. I will show you how to check the JDK version. Just type java space hyphen version. See, this is the version we installed. Same, after the Android Studio installation is over, it will look like this window. That's it. So in next video, we will see how to create and run the project in Android Studio. Thanks for watching and please support IndiaBees.